Yo, what's up guys, it's Mystic, and what if everything you needed to capture gameplay, create a high quality tutorial, or save a live stream all came in this one single box? No computer, no complicated software, no excuses. This is the ClonerAlliance Box Pro, a device that promises to be the ultimate PC-free solution for all your HDMI recordings. Now, ClonerAlliance sent this over to me for review, but does it actually deliver on that promise? Well, let's go ahead and see, and let's find out. So right here we have the box. This is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and adjust the lighting, and let's go ahead and dive right into it. And right off the back, so this is the packaging. So let's go ahead and open it up. As you can tell, it's secure, so you don't gotta worry about anything like as far as with your contents being damaged or anything, because this is a premium box, premium packaging. So let's go ahead and open it up and let's see what's inside of this box. So when we open it up, it has a snug fit, like a premium, like an Apple box. That's what it feels like. It's very premium. And okay, so on the very top we have the manual, and we also have, so we also have, it looks like this is going to be if you need customer service or tech support, direct link to them. And then this right here is your manual, which in the manual you will also have a QR code for you to download and register your device, because there is a software that does come with this device also, where you can edit and stream and everything from this box also. So that will be on the website, and it's also in the manual. But this right here is the star of the show. This right here is the box itself, the ClonerAlliance Box Pro. Now with this device, as you can tell, it has a nice weight to it, and it doesn't feel cheap. It's got this nice matte black finish that won't attract fingerprints, with vents on the side for cooling. And then around the back, we also have our ports. We have the HDMI in, the HDMI out, the power input, and a line out. And here on the side, it is our crucial part. We actually have a USB port for your storage. So for first impressions, I would say that this is a solid piece of hardware, and it feels very premium. Now also in the box, as you can tell, we also got a remote control, which it has multiple buttons on it. Specifically, you see there's a button for recording, stopping, playback, volume, and then there's also a cord right here. It's called a MMI. Which would be able to be like an HDMI, but for older technology or older, TVs, if you need to connect to that. So it comes with that if you have an older device. And then right here, this is the power adapter. So this is going to be exactly what we're going to use to power up our device. I'm going to put that right there. And then right here, this is the micro USB cord. So this would be so you could plug it directly into a computer if you want it to be streaming, or just directly download to your computer. And then this right here is an HDMI cord, which you can actually use to plug up your device, your video source, into the ClonerAlliance Box Pro, or you can actually use this just to connect it from the Pro to the TV. So we're gonna go ahead and put this here, and if you look at it, this is all the things that come inside the box. So you get the box itself, the remote, the equipment to be able to connect it to your computer and power it up, and also an HDMI cord or MMI cord, depending on what type of device you got. And just for size comparison, this is once again how the box looks. It's smaller than my Mac Mini, just to give you an idea. But now it's time for the most important test. How easy is it to actually set up? Now I'm going to call this the 60-second challenge, so let's see if we can get this running in under a minute. So the process is exactly as you hope. I'm plugging in my Firestick into the HDMI in port. I'm going to plug a second HDMI into the HDMI out port. This is the same one that came with the device. Now the other end is going to go inside your TV or your monitor. And then for the final thing we have to do, you're going to have to take your USB drive, and this is going to be for your storage, and it's going to go right here. And then you just plug this up, and then that is pretty much it, guys. So now for the last thing, all we have to do is put some power inside this device, and it should be up and running. So boom, we got the indicator light, and then that is it. The Firestick is now ready to record, and the total setup time was well under a minute. So for a truly standalone device, that's perfect. So now since it's ready to go, let's go ahead and test out the recording feature. So we hit the big red button that says record. You should see a timer on the corner, and then that's it. It's recording in 1080p at 60 frames per second. And then you can also scroll through the playback. And then with the playback itself, you can see there's no lag or performance on the Firestick while it's capturing. And then when you're done, you just hit stop, it'll save, and then you can click on it right here to view it from your storage device. And then once you do, let me go ahead and play it. So look, there it is. The playback quality is excellent. It's crisp, one-to-one copy of the source. So for creating tutorials, capturing gameplay, or archiving streams, this quality is exactly what you need. So now let's go ahead and show you how you would go through all the other menus. So if you back out, you know, you have a playback menu, but you also have the option to do schedule. So if you want to record at a specific time and never miss a show, or record a live stream and you know, because you're going to be late or something like that, you can actually set up this device to automatically record that stream or whatever, and you'll be able to, you know, play it back just like you saw. So it has a multiple settings you can do, and this is all on the device itself. So as you can see, there's no PC needed. Now, after putting the ClonerAlliance through all of that, what's the final verdict? Well, let's break it down. The pros are significant. It is truly standalone, and that cannot be overstated. The 1080p 60 quality is excellent for the price. The schedule recording feature is flawlessly working, and most importantly, it is incredibly simple to use. But it's not perfect. For the cons, the on-screen menu feel a little bit dated. There's no 4K pass-through, which could be an issue if you have a PS5 or Xbox Series X. And the file management is limited. You know, we can delete files but not rename them. And finally, it might be a little bit pricier if you're, you know, just a casual user. So the final verdict, I will say this device is perfect and it does exactly what it's supposed to do. But as far as if you're a hardcore gamer, you need 4K, then you may want to look at other options. But anyway, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys liked about this device and tell me if you want to see more videos like this. And don't forget to check out the Discord also. But anyway, that's it. Peace.